Welcome to our channel Life Insights. Some of our friends have asked us about the present crisis which is going on in Afghanistan. From the very beginning, we have been telling that belief system is against humanity. Beliefs based on books and not based on life is very dangerous to humanity. Some religions are totally confined within their books. Whatever written in the past, many years ago, they still believe that they derive their power from the gods above on the sky. They impose those ideas on the people. Now it is very much doubtful whether we are progressing or regressing. The whole international community, those who are intelligent about life, must think about this. In the name of religion, people are tortured, people are killed, children are killed. For what? We have to think about this. We have been claiming that we have advanced like anything. We are going to the moon. We are going to the Mars. What is the use of all these kind of things? If people are killed in the name of belief system, this is barbaric. Whether we are civilized or not, this is under question. Since human beings are not united, this kind of fundamentalism is encouraged. Here, women are very much targeted. A religion which is based on the life is only needed. A religion which is based on belief system is very dangerous to the progress of human beings. So it is not only concerned with Afghanistan, it is concerned with the whole of the society. Each and every person is concerned with this. Religion is nothing to do with God. Religion is everything to do with living. So we must know how to live. In the name of God, killing people is totally barbaric. It is against the whole of humanity. It is against the existence. In existence, except man, no other beings are killing their fellow beings. But only man is killing human beings in the name of faiths and religions. Because of organized religions, wars are created. So many countries in the past and also now fighting in the name of religions. That's why when communists came to power, immediately they prohibited religions. They believe that religions are against the common people. They even told religion is the opium of the masses. In one sense, it may be true, but the real religion is not against human beings. The real religion is for living. It enhances the life. Real religion understands the value of life. Everybody can understand the value of life. So anyhow, killing is not at all accepted. Since the world community does not take courage, these kind of things are going on. This is not an issue which is confined to a country. There are many people who are supporting the religious groups which are functioning in Afghanistan. Not only in Afghanistan, in many other countries, there are so many terrorist groups. People are supporting these groups in the name of religion and God. So the time has come for the international community to think about this. It is not only the humanities problem, it is the problem which is concerned with each and everyone. So those who are intelligent must think about this. It is not an isolated issue. It is said that man is born violent. So why we are violent? We have to observe our own thoughts. Terrorism is born out of our own thoughts. If we are not in a position to control our thoughts, certainly terrorism will be supported. The basis for terrorism is for everybody to see. It is because of our own thinking process. If our thinking is limited to certain ideology, certainly terrorism will be born. Terrorism is against the human dignity. So we must know how to avoid it. And we must teach children not to be attached with this religion which are based on belief system. Children are fit to be taught what life is. Out of that, they will select a religion which will be meaningful for them. We must not impose any religion on anybody. People must have freedom to choose their own religion. After all, life is our religion. These are our viewpoints. Once again, we will be coming up with another one video explaining another one aspect of life.